If making $1 or more every 24 hours is not small for you, then I recommend you stay throughout the end of this video, because I'm about to take you step by step how you can be able to make use of this free paying platform to earn up to $1 or more every single 24 hours. Now, we all know what $1 is equivalent to in Nigeria. $1 is equivalent to 1,400, if not 1,500 naira in Nigeria today. So if making over 1,500 naira within 24 hours is not small for you, I recommend you stay throughout the end of this video, because I'm about to take you step by step on how you can be able to be making that amount of money using this free platform. So what's up, beautiful people? It's Leo here again. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create contents around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and click on that subscription button, but hey, after clicking on the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification. What this bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you are watching. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I do not take you for granted. Now, with all this being said, guys, let's jump straight into this video. Now, first thing first, I'm going to take us through some steps in which you can be able to earn using this platform. The first step is to take you through registration aspect of this platform. Okay, now the second step is to show you the things you need to do in order to earn using this free paying platform, and the last thing is to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earnings. Now, that is the most important thing. One thing is making money online, and another thing is being able to withdraw the money you made online. Now, with all this being said, let's go straight into the video. Now, first thing first, the first thing you need to do is to click the link in the description of this video, or the link I'm going to pin in the comment section, and it's going to bring you over to this page. Now, you have to click on the sign up button, all right, because you are about to register. Okay, so once you click on the sign up button, it's going to bring you over to this page, and the next thing you have to do, or you would want to do, is to fill up this for your registration, right? So you have to type in your full name here, type in your email address, and then type in a password you can be able to remember. Okay, that is necessary. Then the next thing you have to do is that you would like to click on sign up. Now, once you are done with the registration, it's going to bring you over to this place. Your dashboard is going to look like this. Now, this platform pays you in coins. When you look over here, you'll discover that I've earned up to 11 coins, right? Now, moving on to the ways or the things you are able to do so as to make money using this platform. Now, the first thing you can be able to do to earn this platform is to play some games. Over here is this games you can be able to play, and then the second thing you can be able to do to this platform so you can be able to earn is completing some simple tasks and then doing some clicks using this platform, right? Now, another thing you can be able to do to earn this platform is by referring some new members to this platform, right? Now, well, let's click on this game to see your requirements before you can be able to earn. Now, this shows that you can be able to, if you are able to earn or reach up to 200 level, you are going to be paid sum of 972 coin. 972 coin, guys. So remember, your minimum coin you are going to have in your wallet before withdrawal is 1000 coin, but this game can pay you 972 if you're able to get to level 250, right? So remember, this is the first way you can be able to earn using this platform. Now, let's move to the second way which you can be able to earn using this platform, which is engaging in offer wars. Okay, these are the offer wars they have. They have Adbreak, who have Nautic, and the rest of them. Now, this is the one of the offer wall I love making use of in order to earn in this platform, which is this is time wall, right? So let's click on time wall and see the things you can be able to do using time wall and then get paid, right? So once you click on time wall, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Now, when you look over here, you will discover that I've earned up to 282 points. Now, time wall pays you in points, and then these 282 points that I have is equivalent to 26 coins. Now, the minimum points you are going to have in this time war before you can be able to withdraw from this time war to the main platform that is going to pay us finally is 100 points, right? 100 points. That is the minimum points you're going to have in this time war before you can be able to withdraw down to the main platform we are going to make use of. All right, now these are the things you are going to do in this time war in order to earn. Now, first thing, you can be able to do survey, complete surveys, complete simple tasks. We have offers and we have clicks. Right now, the one I make use of most is this clicks over here. That is the one I make use of most. I love making use of these clicks. Right now, let's click on the clicks and see what we are asked to do. Right, okay, now you are asked to click on this particular view, this view over here. Right, once you click on this view, it's going to take you over to a particular site, and you are expected to stay in that particular site for 5 seconds. And if you're able to stay up to 5 seconds in that particular site, you are going to earn 22 points. Right now, let's click and see how it goes. Right now, remember, I have up to 282 points over here. Right, so after clicking on this and staying up to 5 seconds in this particular site, they are going to refer me to or take me to. Let's see if this 282 points is going to increase. Right, okay, remember they promised to give me 22 points if I'm able to stay up to 5 seconds in that particular site. Right, so let's go, guys. Now it has taken me to a site, so I'm going to stay up to 5 seconds in this particular site. Right, so I can be able to earn 22 points as promised. Okay, so I think this is a crypto site or something like that. No, so by this time I believe I've spent up to 5 seconds in this app or in this site. So let's go back and see if I'm going to earn 22 points as promised. So let's go, guys. Okay, my point is still remaining 282, so we are going to refresh to see if it's going to increase. Okay, so let's refresh and see if we're going to earn. Okay, boom, we've earned up to 304 points. So they promised or they delivered in their promise. Right, so like I said, the minimum points you are going to have in this time war before you can be able to withdraw to the main platform is 100 points. Right, so for you to be able to withdraw, you have to click over here the hamburger sign. Okay, so let's click on the hamburger sign. So when you look over here, you see that they are showing me, or I have a notification of 1 when it comes to withdrawal. All right, so let's click on withdrawal and see how the withdrawal goes. So over here, you are going to click here, withdraw 22 coins to Gaintiplay. Gaintiplay is the name of the main platform that is going to be paying us. Right, so I have up to 22 coins, so they're asking me to withdraw the 22 coin to the gaintiplay.com. right, so let's click on the withdraw, the blue button over here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, as you can see over here, it's counting down. Right, so I'm doing the withdrawal, so I'm done. So it seems like I've withdrawn the 28 coins to my Gaintiplay wallet. So we're going to go back to the main platform to see if the 11 coin I had there initially is going to increase. Right, so we are expecting to have up to 11 coin plus 28, that we're going to have up to 39 coins in my main wallet. So let's go back to the main platform. All right, guys, this is the main platform, and just like the promise, I have received the 28 coins, so I have 39 coins in my wallet already. 39 coins already. Now let's move on to the withdrawal aspect of this. Let's say you've gotten up to 1,000 coin and you are about to withdraw. Then how do you withdraw? Right, so let's go, guys. So guys, in order to withdraw, you have to click over here that said cash out. Right, so once you click on cash out, let's see how it goes. Okay, now we have various ways that you can be able to get paid. Now they can pay you using PayPal. Okay, as over here they can pay you using Litecoin. Over here they can still pay you using Bitcoin. Right, now if you have a working PayPal account, you can use your PayPal to withdraw, or if you do not have, I advise you have a kind of a crypto wallet, open a crypto account in order to get access to this Litecoin or Bitcoin. But if you have that already, you are expected to paste your Litecoin address or your Bitcoin address, and then you are going to click on withdrawal. So let's say we are making use of Litecoin. Okay, this is where you are going to type in your Litecoin address and then the number of coins you are going to be withdrawing. Remember, I said the minimum coin you are going to have before you can be able to withdraw is 1,000 coin, and 1,000 coin is equivalent to $1, and $1 is equivalent to 1,400 naira or 1,500 naira. Guys, I know you can be able to do more than this every 24 hours, right? So guys, you're going to type in your Litecoin address and then the number of coins you are going to be withdrawing. It could be 1,000, it could be 2,000. All right, so once you type in the number of coin you are going to be withdrawing, so you are going to click on confirm withdrawal, and they are going to send in the coin or Litecoin equivalent to the number of coins or equivalent to the money you are going to be withdrawing from this platform. So guys, this is the way you can be able to make money using this platform and also make your withdrawals. Now, another way you can be able to earn using this platform is by referral. Yes, by bringing new people to make use of this platform. That is another way you can be able to earn using this platform. Now guys, this is what I have for you in today's video, right? I'm sure you enjoyed this video, right? So give this video a thumbs up, click the like button of this video to show appreciation. If you have gotten to this extent of the video, let me know in the comment section. Type any question you have in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you. Click the like button of this video to show appreciation and to show you've reached to this point of the video, right? Do not forget to join this beautiful family by smashing the subscription button. Yes, smash the subscription button. Do not forget to turn on the bell notifications so you always get notified anytime we upload awesome content just like this. So guys, I'm looking at opening a WhatsApp group in order to welcome new members. What do I do in this WhatsApp group? What I do in this WhatsApp group is to always send in updates or ways you can be able to earn money to this WhatsApp group. And the people I have in this WhatsApp group, they are going to be the first people to jump into this particular opportunity in order to cash out before I would even talk about making video to post on my YouTube channel. So if you would want to join this WhatsApp group, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification. In my next video, I might decide to drop the link to the WhatsApp group so you can be able to take part or partake in this particular opportunity. All right, so guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. Do it to click the video you are seeing on the screen right now, and it's going to take you to a video I made concerning a particular platform where you can easily earn up to 10,000 to 30,000 naira every single week, right? Every single week. For you to know what the update is all about, do it to click the video you are seeing showing on the screen right now, and I'm going to see you on the inside. Let's go guys, click on the video.